Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Walgreens, two very easy freebies that are really great. One with the Checkout 51 app, the other one with an IVC coupon. It is super, super easy to do. I know in my video yesterday I was like, I'm not buying the Butterfingers. And now I'm like, I bought them. I'm making a donation to a couple different groups this week with some of the clearance stuff I've been hauling. So I thought maybe at the SPCA, the staff would enjoy the Butterfingers. Or I also donate to a teen mom pregnancy organization. So I thought maybe I would just give it to the staff or, the people that use the services. So I'm going to be donating all of it, but I did buy it, and I know I made this huge thing saying, I'm not going to buy it, and then, I guess I lied. But these deals are not lies, I promise. Okay, so the first deal is courtesy of Ravi here on YouTube and over on Instagram. So the Neutrogena Cosmetics, all of it that's tagged with these orange stickers, and clearance is always a year mileage may vary as well, so please don't get angry if you can't find it. But I would go out sooner than later because free makeup, I mean, who would not want it? So there's a lot of different foundations that are $1.59, and they also have like a concealer stick for $1.69, which is also a really great price point. I'm just going to go through the stickers of what I saw in the store, and then we're going to walk through the deal. Also, we have this, it's like some sort of eyebrow pencil, like at $2.29. We're looking for makeup at $3 or less. That's the magic price point. So it's just like to do your brows so they look really nice. And there's also like some sort of like lip gloss for $2.89. That would be perfect. I think this is what Ravi got, was the lip gloss for $2.89. And there's also some blushes that are on clearance for a really good price point of $2 and some change. Here it is, $2.49. Unfortunately, when the makeup hit this price point, just probably average shoppers just gobbled it up, because when do you ever see Neutrogena this cheap? So the goal here, guys, is to grab one or two. You can grab one item if you only find one. On page 18 of the June Big Book of Savings found at the front of the store, we have a 6 off of 2. However, this coupon is actually scanning a 3 off of 1, and I'll show you the receipt. So if you only find one item, you can still get one item totally for free. And say you find like 4 items or 6 items or multiples, this will apply to more than one per transaction. So for my little haul, I could only find 2 items at $1.69. I think one was even cheaper. So I got the 2 of them and then got the cashier to scan the IVC for me. No problems, no issues with that. Looking at the receipt here, guys, if you look at the top, we have that Neutrogena product for $1.69. See how the IVC $1.69 off, and then we have the other makeup liquid thing, whatever it is, for $1.59. So they're 2 different products at 2 different costs for $1.59. So it isn't the 2 sums together subtracting the IVC. So it's not like, $3 and change reduced down. No, it's like the $1.69 or $1.59. So if I only found, like, say, one lip gloss, I could grab that one and get the cashier to scan it. Really tough store, just load it digitally to your Walgreens account, and it'll reduce down to like tax. So it is working. Ravi bought 2 lip balms yesterday. It worked for him. And then today I went and got a couple of these foundations. Even if this is not your color, if you're into contouring, these are beautiful colors for that. And the colors I was specifically finding was this 135. It's called Chestnut. So hopefully this is crystal clear and makes sense. I would do this deal sooner than later, because I mean, it's just tremendous. And the IVC is working with the clearance stuff, basically making it completely for free. So you're looking for products, again, guys, that's $3 and under to correspond with the IVC. Now, this is $3.89. So if you got one of these, it would be 89 cents. So 6 off of 2 is 3. That's how I'm getting the math. But for 89 cents, some of these colors, I'm like, I probably could have picked up one, but I just left it at the store. But still, with the IVC, it would be 89 cents each if you love makeup. I honestly haven't been wearing a lot of makeup since the pandemic, so I just thought I would just leave it at the store. But anyhow, free makeup is the best kind of makeup. Go to your Walgreens sooner than later. Once this hits a really big blog, it's going to be gone quickly. Who does not love free makeup? Okay, so here's the portion of my lying haul. So I picked up 10 of these Butterfingers and really checked the dates on them because I noticed a lot of them were expiring like the first week of August. And I'm like, that's a really quick turnaround date. So I went and picked some out of the box that expire, later in September, October. So these guys are two for $1. So for this deal, you're going to grab 10 of them. So that would be $5 on the nose. And I paid cash out of pocket for this because Checkout 51 is a really goofy app that sometimes if they don't see a balance on the receipt, they'll be like, sorry, and they'll deny your receipt, which I don't like. And then just to show you, I made my submission to Checkout 51, and I think within 10 minutes, they put the $5 in my account. So it was that easy. I got 10 for free. If this is your favorite candy bar, you might want to try again on Thursday. Double, triple check your account if it reset. Because you could probably get 10 more. So you could get 20 candy bars this week totally for free. So good luck with this one, guys. And I know a lot of you are scoring because I'm getting tagged quite a bit over on Instagram on how great is this. Okay, so when I was paying for my stuff too, this came out of the Catalina machine. Earn $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. I'm going to check on Wednesday if I might receive some nice boosters, but I'll absolutely use this. How terrific is that? And I have up until next Sunday to use this so I can maybe pair it if there's some really good deals starting next Sunday with this. So very delighted to receive this. Maybe you guys might get something similar out of the Catalina machine. Keep your eyes peeled for these. Okay, so now Bath and Body Works. Today is the first day of the semi-annual sale for summer. It's going to be taking place right until July. And I got 2 massive bags of stuff. It is going to be quite the haul. I went initially just to a regular store and I didn't find a lot. I found a lot of people, but I didn't find a lot of like good deals. So I went to an outlet a couple hours from my home, a bit of a drive today. And at the outlet, $8 3-wick candle. So I know I was saying you $10 candle, and in store at the other store, which is not an outlet, they were $12.50, but $8 is totally what it's about. You will only find these sort of price points at an outlet. So if you live close to one, usually the first 3 days or maybe even the weekend, they will have crazy prices on candles. Typically, it's always about the $8 price point, and it's whatever candles that were not selling very well, they will have them out. And then once they're gone, they're gone. And sometimes they're towards the front, the cash register. And then when you're paying for stuff, the cashier will say, oh, would you be interested in an $8 3-wick candle? Which is like, yes, please, and thank you so much. So we have this Easter one, which is super, super cute with the little bunnies. And then the classic Christmas one, which is called Winter. So I don't know if they had a couple cases of that or people were not interested in it, but that is like my husband's favorite. So I got a couple of those and I was really happy. Hand soap, other stuff, really, really inexpensive. I'm going to make a complete video on this tomorrow where I go through everything. I have like 2 huge bags and it will take a couple of minutes to do that. And a lot of stores too had the different price charts. This one is everything from 25% to 90% off. The most I saw at the outlet was 75% off, which was really great. So, I mean, however you can do it, guys. I mean, if you want to get some clearance stuff, the outlet is absolutely the place to go to because they have some amazing just stuff that, you never really see, and then boom, it's all there on clearance and it's like, oh my gosh, how great is that? So check out the video I have here. I made a video about some, tips and tricks on how to have the most amount of success with the semi-annual sale. And as always, thanks for watching. Look for my haul tomorrow. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.